Welcome back everyone. So in the last video, we talked about the importance of team building and its many benefits. And today in video number 2 of our series, we'll be diving deep into the world of icebreakers. As we all know, first impressions matter a lot. And icebreakers play a crucial role in setting the stage for a successful team building experience. They help break down initial awkwardness, encourage interaction, and create a relaxed and positive atmosphere where team members feel comfortable introducing themselves and engaging with one another. And here's a really great example that I really like.
Since we've got a couple chefs, I thought this would be a good one. How long can food be on the ground before you cannot eat it anymore?
2 hours. It really depends on who's looking.
Depends on the food. Okay, and let's do one more. This one I thought was interesting and could start a whole lot of conversation, especially if there's beverages.
Okay.
What would be a good addition to the human body?
Oh, a good addition?
Yes.
I'd say one more arm.
Like I was thinking like a go-go gadget arm type of thing.
So how do you choose the right icebreaker for your team? Here are a few factors to consider. Team size. For smaller teams, an activity that involves everyone participating might be suitable. For larger groups, you can consider icebreakers that allow for smaller breakout sessions. Time constraints. Try to choose an icebreaker that fits comfortably within the allotted time. Team dynamics. If your team is relatively new or not really close, then I suggest you opt for icebreakers that encourage interaction and conversations. And for established teams that have been working together for some time, you can try more challenging ones. And now for the fun part. Let's explore some specific icebreaker examples that you can use with your team. The first icebreaker I want to talk about is called 2 Truths and a Lie. This classic icebreaker is a great way for people to learn fun facts about each other. Each team member thinks of 3 statements about themselves, 2 truths and 1 lie. Then everyone takes turns sharing their statements, and the group eventually tries to spot which one is a lie. The second one is the human bingo. This is a really fun and interactive icebreaker that allows people to learn about each other in a really fun way and mingle and, share their experiences together. So basically, create a bingo card with squares containing prompts like has been to a national park or speaks another language. Participants move around the room trying to find someone who matches each prompt. The first person to complete a row, column, or diagonal wins. 3 is the M&M Personality Test. If you are a lover of M&M, you'll love this game. So this one, guys, uses color association, so please be mindful of team members with color blindness, okay? And this is a really lighthearted activity that can spark conversations about interest, experiences, or preferences. In the handout, explaining the color associations, for instance, red for outgoing, green for creative, participants take a handful of M&Ms and share what the colors reveal about their personality. So these were just a few of my favorite icebreaker examples, but you can always find more online about team building and more icebreakers to use with your teams. The key here is really about choosing the right activities for your team and their needs. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into the science of effective and successful teamwork. We'll explore how key elements like trust, communication, and shared goals contribute to a highly performing team. Stay tuned and I'll see you in a minute.